We parked outside and it's running, like I'm waiting on your invite. Outside the coupe, it matches the inside. In my cup is
Hey everyone, Steve at S&A Security Specialist. We're going to show you what the IGLA pin code system does as far as blocking thieves or anyone attempting to program a key to this car. You will not be able to program a key or delete a key or even gain access to do so when the IGLA system is on. So we're going to show you right now that it is on. There's the brake, there's the button. It did not start. Engine is not running. Will not start. Brake, button. Will not start. We're going to turn off the vehicle. I'm going to try to program a key. Hit agree. We're going to turn those hazard lights on to wake up the car's computer. And we're going to go over here, select by vehicle, Chrysler 300. There we go. We're going to try to read the vehicle security code that is needed to program a key. And we're going to show you what happens. It blocks it every single time. No matter how many times we try, it is going to block it. It's going to not let you in it. It's that simple, everyone. So you don't want to get your Chrysler 300 stolen or any other vehicle such as a Mopar. That includes the Challengers, Chargers, Trackhawks, Durangos, the whole lineup of family. Our system will stop these from relay attacking your vehicle and scanning the key signal to start your car. Would also stop them from programming a key or deleting your keys and leaving you stranded.
To the latest target for car thieves. Not talking Chevys and Jeeps. It's this device. Doesn't look like much, but more crooks. It's quickly becoming the key to getting behind the wheel of as many cars as you want. CBS 2's Suzanne Lemignot live at Area 2 Police Headquarters, where a warning is going out tonight. Suzanne.
Well, Brad, robbers are targeting locksmiths and their fob programmers. Now, detectives right here at Area 2, they issued an alert about 2 different incidents. We learned about another incident that happened 5 days ago, this one in Bronzeville.
He was scared, he was afraid, not knowing if you're going to live or die in a situation like that.
Michael Payton talks about how a mobile locksmith was feeling after he was held at gunpoint near 38th and Wabash just 5 days ago. Payton says the locksmith told him
someone called that their keys were locked inside the car, and then when he got there, they pulled out weapons and took whatever property equipment that he had in the vehicle.
The locksmith was robbed at gunpoint here in broad daylight at noon. The robbery is similar to 2 others involving mobile locksmiths. Police say in each case, the victims were responding to requests to reprogram vehicle keys. When they arrived, they were surrounded by 2 to 4 armed men. Then their vehicle reprogramming devices and key fobs were taken. Area 2 detectives put out this alert about 2 other incidents on October 4th and October 25th, both happening during the day. An employee here at Curtis Key and Lock Service in Grand Crossing showed us how the key programmer works. We won't show you specifics, but it's not difficult to make a new key fob.
The keys that are in front there in that fob, you could reprogram that with this in minutes.
Correct, yes.
Now, the owner of Curtis Key and Lock Service told me for safety reasons, they always have cars towed to their business to make new fobs. At Area 2 in Pullman, Suzanne Lemignot, CBS 2 News.
1, on your balls. 2, grab a handful. 3.
Your goddamn button!
You heard what she said.
Hey everybody, Steve at S&A Security Specialist. This is a 2018 Kia Sportage. We're just going to show you what we do here at S&A. This is the factory key. It just happens to be in a fancy case, that's all. But anyway, this key here, it can only lock and unlock the doors. It cannot control our new alarm. Therefore, once the vehicle is remotely started, these keys are inoperable. The remotes, that is. So what we do is cut the customer a new key, give them the new remote control. Now they have an alarm system with remote start and a new key. because there's nothing special about that key. There's no chip in it, nothing. Therefore, once this vehicle's alarm system is armed, should a thief get in the car or set off the alarm for any reason, what we're going to do is just simply unlock the door, get in. You're going to notice the remote's going off, saying the door was open. We're going to try and start the vehicle. As you see, trying to crank it. It will not start. Will not start at all. Vehicle will not start at all. That's how you can protect your Kia and Hyundai vehicle. This is also equipped with drone mobile, so all the alerts of the alarm going off are going directly to the customer's smartphone and to their remote control. For more information, give SNA Security Specialist in River Grove a call, 773-772-5424.
What up, YouTube? This your boy Dino. Let you know there's 3 things you need for your Mopar. 1, you need an alarm. 2, you need a PIN code. 3, you got to have a neutral release cover. Yeah, a neutral release cover. If y'all don't know about that, it's when they pull this up and they look down and look for that red strap. But as you can see, there's no red strap for mine. I got mine all bolted up, secure, with a metal bracket over it. It's all disassembled, took apart. Metal bracket is all put there to stop them thieves for busting your window, jumping in, and getting you. Hey, get you a news release cover. Check out my videos for more information on all this. Peace.
Hey everybody, it's Steve at SNA Security Specialist here at River Grove, Illinois. We've been noticing a lot of our customers coming in with these little plate covers over the neutral safety strap, which is located next to the gear shifter. Great idea. What these do is they slow thieves down. So thieves just bust your window, climb in, pull the plastic cover off, pull the red strap cable, and push your vehicle away using another vehicle. These slow them down. We acquired a couple of these, we brought them in, and we thought, wow, great idea, great concept, but how can we make these better? So these little things right here are very thin. We can press down, we can bend them, could probably easily drill through it and still get to that strap. With the ones that we revised, they're a lot thicker. As you see, I'm pushing down on them, and if you look at the steel on that, compared to something that thin, this is definitely a better option. So what these will do is they will complement your Compustar drone package and basically slow the thieves down so they can't just bust the window, hop in so fast and pull the strap and push it away real quick. This will slow them down, giving that alarm system plenty of time to alert your remote control and your drone and page you on your cell phone. So definitely a great add-on if you already have the IGLA system and the Compustar system. Or if you just want to get a Compustar system without the IGLA, make sure you ask for the strap cover. We do have about 100 of each in stock for Chargers and Challengers from 2015 all the way up to 2022. They are available for our customers who have new installs, or they're available for all of our previous customers. All you have to do is give us a phone call. Our phone number is 773-772-5424.
My number one thing is Compustar with drone mobile. What it is tilt sensors. If they lift up the car trying to take the rims, the alarm's gonna go off. If they try to tow it, the alarm's gonna go off. If they try to break the window, alarm's gonna go off. And all that, you get alerted to the key fob and to your phone that something is going on. It can't get no better than that, right? Now, what I just did is going to get sent to my phone with the rest of these alerts that I get if anything happens to my phone. But let me show you. Let me bring it up so you'll see how it looks. As you see it, right there, ring alerts, drone mobile. I'm not too sure if you can see that. Let me get that so you can see it. Drone mobile has been triggered. Shock, all that's been triggered. So you get all that on the key fob and your phone. You can't get no better than that. So no matter what they doing, no matter where you at in the world, the mall, another state, you will still know what's going on with your car. That is the first part. The second part is a PIN code system. PIN code system, which I shared in my other videos, which I will probably put some clips in on this video. It stops them from relay attacking, which I can just show you now. Relay attacking, and it stops a key programmer. It's like a locksmith. Say if you lost your keys, you'll call a locksmith. He'll come out with a key programmer, program you another key, and drive off. Well, that is the same technology the crooks are using. They're getting their hands on the same thing, breaking your window, getting into your car, reprogram another key, and driving the hell off. Well, with this PIN code system, we're going to eliminate all that. So that was part 2. Now part 3 is the neutral release. It's so easy just by pulling up a piece of plastic, pulling a cord, you can put your car in neutral. Well, we're going to eliminate all that. So that's the 3 things. The new text alert about the alarm going off. As you can hear it and see it. It goes off and lets you know something happened to your car. But back to what I was saying. The PIN code stops them from relay attacks, stops them from programming a key, and the neutral release, which I said I was getting back to, they're not going to be able to just put it in release mode and just push this car away. No longer. So with them 3 things covered, with them 3 things covered, it's over with. So let's get to it, YouTube.
What are you, fucking nuts?